Hey guys, welcome to Opportunity City. Let's go check out a unit that we are in the middle of demoing. Y'all have actually been here before. Y'all went and checked out Unit D, and at that time when we took that video, we were demoing that one as well. We're almost done with that one, and right now we're on the last unit of this complex that we're renovating for this owner. This one's Unit C, and we're in the middle of the demo process here too. I mean, everything's been gutted. There was no insulation in the walls, taking out all the sheetrock. Right now we're replacing some of the framing, put new floors down. We got to take out all of these old floors. We got a few last rooms that we need to take out, place the sheetrock. Looks like we have some new windows in there already. Place some light fixtures. But this owner, he has hired us to help him buy it. He's hired us to come in and do the renovations on it. He's hired us to manage it. And he's gonna hire us to get the tenants in there and watch out over it. Same thing with this room. Got to completely gut it. They have this beautiful color. And so we're almost done with the demo process here. We have got some new sliding glass doors in, and we're going to get the plumber, the electrician. They're going to come in and do their thing, and then we'll be able to come back and start really building it up with all new materials, all new appliances, everything beautiful.
B-E-A-beautiful.
Just wanted to show you all the middle of this project. This is the last unit that we have here. In a couple of days we'll come back and show you the finished Unit D. But we've already got one unit rented out. We've got another unit completely finished, and it's for rent right now. Reach out to us if you're looking for something in 78723. Very cool neighborhood. This area is growing a lot. So I just wanted to keep you guys updated. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you at the next project.